What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Just dropped off UPS straight from Nike. Got the Jordan 3 denims. They released the 27th or the 28th, I think it was. So haven't opened them yet. Gonna do it right here. Get into it. Got the box. Of course, they come with the Nike tape. They say just do it to let you know if it been tampered with or whatever. Let me see. There you go. Just do it. It's supposed to be wrapped all the way around, but they just put it on one side. So, that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take my leather mat, cut this open. It's already split on the other side. Get to now the box. You know, 3s and 4s, 5s and 6 too. They all almost come in the same box with the 2 separate pieces where the top part comes off. This one is just one piece, white with a red Jumpman with the elephant print on the side. That represents the 3s. And of course on the side we got the Jordan 3 retro, black, red, white, fire red. Got your price, your barcode, your QR code. Go ahead, open them. Your paper. We got elephant print paper. And we also have the white paper as well. Fresh. Check. No retro card, but it's all good. Go ahead and take these out the box. Icy white. See the elephant print. Match the outside. Put the elephant. Now me, I'm not a big 3s person, but I went for these for one specific reason. So like always, we're gonna check for defects, glue, anything like that. One thing I can say that I noticed right off the bat, of course, is denim. So this is like jean material, and this on the toe box is usually higher, so it's like halfway right now. And then of course around the eyelets where the laces go has denim material as well. Got a nice white and black midsole. No glue stains so far. A little something right there. Maybe that's just a little lint. But that denim material goes all the way around on the back. Now this is what got me. The back part, I love that they did that clear heel tab, mixing the old school, the retro OG, the actual Jordan 3s with the new day. So the Jordans that usually say Nike in the back, Nike on the back, the heel, Nike on the heel, it has it, and it has for the re-release or the retros with the Jordan logo. The Nike is in red, the Jordan logo is in clear, and the air is in red. And I thought that was real cool. It's real nice. But as you see, you can't see the Jordan unless you get close up. There you go. And check the insides for any defects. Again, that denim. Okay. Look a little rough right there, but it's not too bad. You see the little stuff right there. Little nipple. That denim is pretty good, I say. Put that back. Go ahead and check the right shoe. Now I can say, yeah, with this, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that midsole is kind of like not bubbly, but has little dents in there. Usually it's smooth. You can see it on the black part right there. It's not cracking, but it's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be smooth. No indentions, if that makes sense. So yeah, scroll back around, swing around, check the other shoe. A little glue right here, but you can just scrape, it'll come off, it'll just peel off. There you go, it's off. You can see little glue stains at the top, but that's not real noticeable. People not gonna be paying attention to that. Right here, the same thing I was saying about the little indentions, the little, not bubbles, but like it wasn't flat when it was done. Go ahead, right here, another little glue stain which can be peeled off. It's nothing major, but when you spend $215 on a pair of shoes, you want them to come perfect. But again, so it's all white with denim for the elephant print with fire red and black. I think that's a good combination. Check the bottom out. That bottom is all white, black, and red. The inside, the sock liner, black, fire red tongue on the back. Of course, on the inside, you got your size, your QR, all your stuff to enter to find out if the shoe is legit or not. But yeah, just got these in the mail. The Jordan 3 denims, fire red, black, and white. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.